Hi, my name's Miriam Neal. I am the owner and creative director at Curiouser Designs. So, a little more about Curiouser Designs and the way I envision my small business is to empower other organizations with creative approaches to their digital strategies and technical solutions. And that really goes into different areas for different industries. It could be a custom application for your organization, it could be a custom tracking tool, it could be a project management site, it could be an application to share your passion of a huge collection of patches, which I have literally done. But my focus is on making that creative work collaborative, focusing on giving information up front and transparency to not only systems but processes and where things are at. My goal is to streamline digital presence, whether that's a CRM or a custom solution, applications, and so forth, to improve an organization's technical experiences. Every project has its own unique goal and purpose, and we seek to find the best way to meet that, which is sort of why my mission is to support my customers, whoever that might be, strategic vision with creative, innovative, and effective solutions. Based on my own sea of knowledge, our vision is not really our own, but it's to help our customers find their vision or bring their vision to fruition. Our values are creativity, diversity of thought and expression, knowledge and general information, the pursuit of it, and a lifelong learning approach, and basic curiosity, just wanting to know why things are done the way they are, how could they be done differently, exploring things from different perspectives. There's no one way to do anything. I do have a specialization in Microsoft 365 projects and products, so SharePoint is my favorite. I can also work with OneDrive, Teams, and then of course the whole suite is included in that, so everything from your Excel and Word documents to your Outlook and PowerPoint and so forth. I do have familiarity with other systems such as Salesforce, a customer resource management tool, automating customer engagement, emails, and creating sales processes and funnels, custom documentation, automating slide decks, that sort of thing. And then Google is one of my favorite resources for small businesses because it tends to be financially accessible, but Google also has Power Apps and Sheets that can basically do the same thing that Microsoft can, just in its own environment. So if you already use any of these products, I can help you make them work better for your business. I do use a traditional or a semi-traditional systems engineering process or an iterative process where I kind of focus on understanding the need, creating concepts to execute, and then bringing that to fruition, materializing that in some kind of digital format. So initial planning includes a lot of questions, a lot of analysis and understanding, and visualization, and discovery, a lot of discovery. We then take that into a planning and storyboard mode where we outline and define in workflows and diagrams specifically the need and where things need to go so that we can, first of all, find if there's any hitches in that process, find any opportunities to improve that process or streamline it, make sure that we're all on the same page with understanding at the end of the day, and then hopefully finding any flaws or risks in that process and mitigating them with our design or product at the end. With that, we'll take all of our understanding and put a solution together or a proposal for it. With approval of that solution, we move forward with implementation, which then goes into testing to make sure it works the way we say it's going to work and does what we say it's going to do. That usually brings in a lot of changes because there's always a better way or a different way to do something, or maybe you didn't fully grasp what you could do with it until you see it, and now you know what you want, and we can expand on that testing and solution mining, basically. From there, we would deploy things as necessary. It's all custom, but my process is systems engineering based. I am passionate about what I do and who I can do it for. So if you're interested in learning more about me or Curiouser Designs, please contact me. Thank you.